the Centers for Disease Control is still recommending these mRNA shots to babies as young as 6 months old and for everybody else. And yet the American people are not taking these booster shots of the COVID vaccines. And I'm just wondering what you make of this incredible paradox that COVID mania continues and people have just gone back to their business.
Yeah, I mean, thank goodness. I only wish it had happened earlier in terms of people ignoring the CDC's recommendations in this area. And the sad part is the CDC, a lot of the stuff they do is very good,
Yeah.
but in this area, they've just completely, left the farm. I mean, it's just completely nuts. I mean, they're encouraging people to inject something that, that is, I consider it gene therapy. By old definitions of gene therapy, it is gene therapy because of the way it works, because it takes control of your genetic machinery, if you will, to produce something. So yeah, I consider that gene therapy, and to be encouraging this in the absence of evidence to, I mean, the most innocent, lives on this planet. It's just, it's both concerning and disturbing and also disgusting. But they are just more married to their ideology. They care more about their agenda than the health and well-being of human beings. So it's really sad and it's unfortunate, but I'm grateful that Americans are no longer, messing with them, with
Right.
the CDC,
Right.
just going
People
their own
aren't
way
under the
with this.
spell. I think, correct me if I'm wrong, but you've called Dr. Ladapo for a halt to the mRNA shots, the COVID shots. Is that right?
Yeah, I made that announcement in January, and it's completely, absolutely. I completely, absolutely adhere to it. There's not even been, there's been not even a crack of doubt in that proclamation.